Today we are doing a very easy hike starting from Cheia to Amfiteatrul Transilvania. We follow the orange hiker sign. The trail is about 4 kilometers long, has a 250 meters elevation gain, and takes between 1 and 1.5 hours to complete. We start in Cheia, where you can see the trail map. We leave the car after the bridge that goes to Cheile Grădiștei and walk back to the starting point. This route is part of the T9 EcoTrail circuit between Moieciu de Sus and Cheia. We filmed this trail in January, where there was still plenty of snow on the ground. Now, in March, there is very little snow left. The trail starts with a short, steep climb. This is an eco-trail, so it takes you through local areas close to traditional houses and daily mountain life. After the climb, we reach Cremenii Hill. From here, you usually get a great view of the Bucegi and Piatra Craiului mountains. Unfortunately, today is very windy and there are many clouds over Piatra Craiului, but at least we have view over Bucegi. From this point on, the path is mostly flat with very few short climbs. We did this full circuit in the autumn, starting from Moieciu de Sus. If you want to see the bright autumn colors contrasting with the snow on the peaks, you can find a video on our channel. It is a very beautiful and scenic route. As we get closer to our destination, the Bucegi Mountains appear on our left. They look amazing covered in snow. Before we head down to Amfiteatrul Transilvania, we stop at a popular viewpoint on the right. You get a perfect panoramic view of the mountains, Moieciu de Sus village and the amphitheatre. We walk for another 10 or 15 minutes and we finally arrive at Amfiteatrul Transilvania. You can also get here by car on a forest road which is in a good condition. This place is very famous for its restaurant and accommodation and the view is simply great. Unfortunately, it is very windy and we cannot fly the drone, but we have some great shots on the channel from our autumn hike. We will also post a new video soon from earlier this month because we visited again last week and the weather was amazing. After a quick coffee break, we decide to go back. We follow the same path and the walk down takes about 40 minutes. That was our hike for today. I hope you enjoyed it and that it inspires you to come here for a walk no matter the season. See you on the next trail.